Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the USB and gathering files. Plug in a USB 3.0 drive with backups, then run Ventoy installer as admin. Choose the correct USB device and install Ventoy. This formats the drive, so confirm first. Once Ventoy is installed, copy the Windows 11 ISO directly onto the Ventoy partition. Make sure the ISO file name is clear and don't mix other boot files yet. This keeps the process clean and recoverable. Next, configure firmware and test booting. Reboot into BIOS/UEFI and set USB as first boot device, keeping UEFI if your ISO supports it. Boot the Ventoy menu and confirm the Windows 11 ISO appears. Select it and choose Try or Install options to verify integrity. If drivers or storage aren't recognized, return to Ventoy and try the latest Ventoy plugin or different ISO. Testing now prevents wasted installation time and ensures your target PC accepts the image. Finally, start the Windows 11 installation from the Ventoy menu and follow setup prompts. Choose Language, License, and Custom Install for partitions to avoid overwriting data. Once Windows is installed and boots successfully, reinstall any firmware settings like Secure Boot. If installation fails, don't panic. Verify the ISO checksum, update Ventoy to its latest build, and try different USB ports or a new drive. This targeted troubleshooting fixes most boot or driver issues quickly and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.